Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. And you know what? It's summertime. Everybody loves smoothies, right? But a lot of people are afraid to make them because it doesn't work out. They get out their blender, they get out their ingredients, they throw everything in, and it's a lumpy, bumpy mess. Here's how to avoid that. And this isn't just for smoothies. This is for any recipe in a blender. There's an order, and it sounds so simple. If you remember this, you will be a blender whiz. Okay, the first thing you do is start with your liquids. Now this is some homemade almond milk. Aren't you impressed? Okay, so you pour in your liquids first, and that's whether it's a juice or whatever it is. And you just build up from there. You start with your liquids, then you use your medium thick things, ending with your frozen big chunky stuff. Okay, so we've put our liquids in. I'm going to add some flax seeds just for some fun here. You can add those at any time. And then I'm going to put in what looks like yogurt, but it's made from cashews. I'll put a little bit of this in. If you want, this would be the time to add sweeteners or honey, because that's kind of a medium texture thing. And then last, medium would be, the middle level is when you want to add your greens, or in this case, I'm adding celery, because this blender will, if I can tear it apart, this will totally pulverize the celery. And celery has a very mild flavor, so you don't have to worry about overdoing and getting too much of a celery taste. But last is your frozen stuff. Now what I do when I make smoothies is I use frozen fruit so that I don't have to use ice. And the frozen fruit acts as ice, thickening up your milk or cream or whatever you've already got in there. So I go ahead and add my frozen goodies, every last little one, and then away you go. Just remember that order. Now I'm gonna whip this up just for a second, not all the way because it's noisy. Okay, so this is going to turn this into a delicious frosty treat. You can see already it's working because you've put your heavy chunky stuff in last. It gives the blades a chance to really work with the thinner watery parts, and then the heavy stuff comes down in and gets incorporated into your delicious smoothie. That's how you work a blender. I'm your YouTube mom. Be sure and scroll through. There are so many life hacks on here, and be sure to visit my website, jonihilton.com.